What's up guys, Romsicle here, back with another video, and this is the $35 mechanical keyboard from LingBao. If you're on a tight budget and you got only $35 for a mechanical keyboard, this is a perfect option for you. You may have seen this keyboard around with different brands such as LingBao and Ola, but that's because China is notorious for having the same products with different company logos. Inside the box we get the keyboard and a cover to keep it free of dust, plastic keycap puller, and some Chinese manuals showing all the keyboard functions, which I will show in this video. And this is what the keyboard does when it's first plugged into the computer, a marquee effect, and it goes into whatever effect it was in the last time the computer was on. The build quality is actually really good. It has a thick plastic base with a metal mounting surface, kind of like the K70, but this one feels real hefty and sturdy, and it does not feel cheap at all. For $35 you're getting amazing build quality. On the bottom is pretty standard, 4 large rubber feet and kickstand feet, but they don't have rubber on the tips, so the keyboard might move if you decide to elevate it. The keyboard has a thick USB 2 cable that is unremovable, which is kind of unfortunate, but that's what you get for $35. You're probably curious about the switches it uses. It uses a clone of MX Cherry Blues, but these switches have an actuation of 60 grams, similar to MX Blacks rather than the 50 grams of MX Blues. Sounds the same, but the spring tension feels much more satisfying in my opinion, especially for typers. The LEDs aren't switch mounted, but instead they're mounted on the PCB itself, and then shown out through a window in the switch. However, brightness is definitely not an issue because it still looks real vibrant in high and low light. And next is a typing test between this keyboard and the Black Widow Chroma, so have a listen for yourself. And with lighting, of course the function key is going to be involved. Here's an image showing what buttons I'm using to change the directions and the speed of the effects. Like the picture says, the Windows, caps, and scroll lock buttons are independent keys that aren't part of any effects. But for lighting demonstrations, I'll be leaving them on. When you get to the highest or lowest speed of effects, the Windows key will blink a few times indicating that it's at its maximum. Same goes for the LED brightness. And here's all the effects for the keyboard. All 9 keys on the right have a different effect, and the arrow keys will change the direction of the effects. And from F9 to F10, they're gaming templates. I'm not sure what specific games they are, but I'm pretty sure it's MOBA, FPS, and RTS. Oh yeah, and F6 and 7 are volume keys. For $35 freaking, this is an amazing keyboard. Maybe you're not a 10 keyless kind of person, but hey, for the money you're paying, this is the holy grail. It's got nice backlighting, mechanical switches, and half a metal body. You're not gonna find anything better than this. Links are in the description if you want to check this keyboard out and where to buy them. And thanks for watching this review of the LingBao mechanical keyboard. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.